We're leaving Stanley Cay, and we're heading to Black Point. Last night, or past couple of days actually, we had a real good time. We met some other Celine owners that they stopped by and said hello. We went to Pig Beach, and one of the little piggies decided to bite me. Didn't break the skin, but he was just kind of mean, wanted some food, which I didn't have. And the owner had, or the caregiver there, had taken care of baby pigs. They were adorable. One of the pigs, this was funny, ended up climbing in somebody's dinghy and was rooting around for food. So that was the guy that owned the dinghy, kind of raced over there and chased him out. We left there and came back to the boat. We had some lunch, and then we went out for the afternoon, evening, met some more people at the bar, had some drinks. Happy hour started at 4 o'clock. Had a good time. Came back to the boat, and that was the night. We headed out this morning, left the mooring ball, and we did a really good job at releasing it. We are, like I said, having to go to Black Point now, and we'll see what happens from there.
Well, it's been a while since we posted a video. Frankly, life has been getting in the way. We've been really busy doing a lot of things. So we're sitting here doing this video right now as Tropical Storm Debbie is just passing over here in Beaufort where we are today. We'll get to this. We've been doing a lot of work on the boat and just other things going on, and we'll catch that up in later videos. But this video here is really about our trip from Stanley Cay to Black Point. Black Point is actually Great Guiana Key. It's a beautiful harbor. The water is crystal clear. When the tender was floating behind the boat, it looked like it was floating on air because the water was just that clear. It's a great little island of around 400 people. There's several nice, reasonably priced restaurants. There's some wonderful bread that you can get there that we had gotten a couple loaves of. Just lots of places that were just fun to enjoy and visit. We met a couple people there that we had met in other places like Stanley Cay. So enjoy the video. Thanks. Well, what's your thoughts?
Oh, okay. So we're in Black Point, and so far we've seen very nice. The Zumas have the greatest laundromats. They all seem to be by a liquor store or have a liquor store within the laundromat. Great idea. So you can have beer, you can laundry, watch some TV. Not a bad idea. Maybe it's a business proposition for us.
Here we have the Black Point Yacht Club. Woohoo! Join us daily for lunch and dinner and enjoy a rich variety of expertly prepared classic Bahamian dishes.
Oh, stop it. No.